I know how annoying it is when your phone just won't connect. Let's fix your Hyundai Elantra Bluetooth in just a few easy steps. First, make sure your car is in park and your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. If you've already tried connecting but nothing happens, go to your phone's Bluetooth settings and forget the Elantra. On your car's screen, remove your phone from the Bluetooth list too. Now restart both your phone and your car. Sometimes this simple step solves everything. Next, on your phone, scan for devices and pick Hyundai Elantra from the list. Check that the pin on your phone matches the one on your car's display, then tap pair. If it still doesn't connect, check if your phone's software needs an update. Out-of-date phones can cause Bluetooth problems. Update your phone and try pairing again. Still stuck? Try resetting the car's infotainment system. You'll usually find this option in the settings menu under System or General, and if none of this works, it might be time to visit a Hyundai dealer for help. Most Bluetooth problems can be fixed in minutes. So, before you give up, try these steps. Your music and calls will be back in no time.